Welcome back to the Velocity Feed. Today, we aren't just racing, we're pushing the limits of digital physics. Look at this lineup: the Jesko, the Chiron, and the Revuelto. Over 4,000 horsepower combined, waiting for one green light.
Go!
The Chiron gets the jump with that AWD grip, but listen to that Jesko clawing for traction. It's a literal dogfight off the line! We're hitting 250 miles per hour. The Revuelto is holding its own, but the aero on the Jesko is starting to win. It's moving like a ghost through the wind. It's coming down to the wire. Inches, just inches between them. And it's over! What a finish! That is pure velocity. If you want more high-stakes racing, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you at the next starting line.